Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 voice chat. First, let's cover the basics. Always ensure your headset is firmly plugged into the PlayStation 5 controller's 3.5mm jack. Next, navigate to the sound settings and adjust your microphone input level. Sometimes it's just too low or too high. Finally, a simple full restart of your PlayStation 5 console can often resolve minor glitches, clearing temporary issues that might be affecting your chat. Moving on, let's look at software and network solutions. It's crucial to keep your PlayStation 5 system software updated. New updates often include bug fixes for voice chat. Head to the settings, then System, and check for updates. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can severely impact voice quality. You can test your network speed directly from the PlayStation 5 settings to confirm you have enough bandwidth. Now, let's dive into some advanced settings and privacy considerations. Your PlayStation 5 privacy settings might be restricting voice chat, so double-check them to ensure you allow communication with friends or everyone. Also, confirm your audio output is correctly set to your headset, not a TV or soundbar. If issues persist, try rebuilding the PlayStation 5 database in safe mode. This can resolve underlying system errors without deleting your game data. Finally, let's consider hardware and last resort options. If you have another headset available, try using it to determine if your current one is faulty. Sometimes, dust or debris in the controller's 3.5mm port can cause connection issues, so a gentle cleaning might help. If you've tried all these steps and your voice chat still isn't working, it's time to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. They can offer specialized help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.